What did the Lord Jesus do when He came and visited us over 2,000 years ago? Was He silent when He saw tyranny? Was He silent when He saw hypocrisy? No. So when people come and say, as Christians we need to walk in the footprints of the Lord Jesus, and the Lord is love, the Lord is mercy, the Lord is forgiveness, that is half the truth. The other half of the truth, the Lord is the greatest revolutionist the world will ever see. If it wasn't for His firm beliefs, for His value, for His principles and morals and ethics of life, and the human identity, He wouldn't have changed the history of mankind. By being silent, He wouldn't have done what He had done. But He faced authorities, and in their faces He called them the sons of the snakes, and He called them foxes.